Hey there, so welcome to this video. This video is answering just a few questions on YouTube. Now, I've had a few people asking me, what is Faceless Flipping? Now, Faceless Flipping is a TikTok training guide, basically. So they give you a done for you TikTok training guide, and they give you quite a few niches to get into. They show you step by step on what to do. They've given you pictures to put up on there. That's the whole thing about being faceless, so you don't put your face up onto the actual channel. And then what happens is when you hit about 5,000, 10,000 followers on there, you can flip the channel. So you basically, what that means is you can sell it. So you can sell the channel. If you don't want to sell the channel, then TikTok gives you the other things that they have in place to help you build an income, a business up on TikTok. So you can have a TikTok shop where you can sell stuff. Not only can you sell stuff, you can affiliate stuff as well. So you can get paid for advertising, basically. So if someone says, look at this bottle of Captain Morgan's Dark Spiced. This is a fantastic bottle. Here's my link, click on it if you want to get some. People will click on that link and then you'll get a commission for that. So that's what TikTok is allowing you to do, to have that channel, but you'll have a big following behind you. So it's going to make things a lot easier. So it's going to push your videos out and it's going to help you. But they have incorporated with Amazon, so you can put your Amazon affiliate links, ClickBank, so you can put your ClickBank affiliate links as well. Also on top of that, you've got, what else you've got all kinds of things as well. So, you can build that platform. Then you've got the creators program where you can get paid for your videos. So every 1,000 views that you get $1 for. So imagine if a video goes absolute viral and then you get like 100,000 views. So you get yourself a good bit of commission there just for your videos. So, and you're not even creating these videos. You have a software in the back office in Faceless Flipping where you can put in like AI prompts, and with those AI prompts, they can create like AI videos for you, and they are absolutely superb. I mean, these are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you in just a second one of the AI prompts. I'm just going to turn my camera around, so just give me a second so you can see what I'm showing you here. So as you can see my laptop screen. So this is like the back office of Faceless Flipping. So as you can see here, there's telling you the niches, and it's giving you a few bits of training in there, telling you how much you can flip your accounts for. So you can flip an account for $730, $1,250, $1,400, and this has 89.1K followers. This one's got 62 point, so these are the followers that you can get, and this is how much money you can get for having with the followers in your TikTok account. And this company here, Faceless Flipping, will help you get to that level. Now, this is the $27 one, and you get all of this, and then you can pay for like a fast track video, which they can create for you. I don't think it's a lot of money. And then you got the creators account, which I'm on here. You can see that they're in the process of making my video now. Let's come back out of this one and go to VIP. So I'm a diamond member, so I get both of these free. So on a Wednesday, you can go onto TikTok, find a really high quality video that are getting millions of views, and get them to replicate it, but change it slightly. So I'm waiting for that one, as it says they're working on the video, so that can take up to 36 hours. But then if I've gone into my video request, you can see here, I have a video. So, I'm going to click on it and it will take me to, okay, agree to that. Normally it takes me to my download page. Oh, ready to download, there we go. So they're just downloading the video, so I'll get it downloaded to my D. Yeah, drive D. I'm going to open it in a second as well, so this will be downloaded. I'm just going to share with you media player. Yeah, so this is what I had created Just a short video on a snow globe with fireplace and just looks nice. Just nice and simple. So I got them to make a little video like that. So that's just one of the videos. So why do any hard work at all when this company's doing it all for you? You don't have to make the videos. What you do is just basically put your ideas into ChatGPT, which I use, and you can get it to churn you out prompts. You put it into that. They give you prompts as well for the video, the VIP video requests like the one I've just done, which is only a few second video, but they do some cracking videos as well. So that's what you can do, and you can create a whole business around this. You can create money coming in from left, right and center. So if this sounds like it's something for you, then I suggest that you come and click on the link down below this video and then come and see for yourself, okay? So I'll be looking forward to seeing you on the inside.